Hello, dear friends! Welcome to my YouTube channel Russian for Everybody. Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья! Добро пожаловать на мой YouTube канал Russian for Everybody. And today you will know how to say in Russian to go in a vehicle with a baggage. In Russian we have two verbs that have this meaning: везти and возить. So let's find out the difference between these two verbs. So везти and возить. Both these verbs correspond with Russian verbs ехать and ездить, which are also we can call the verbs of motion or movement. So везти, pay attention on its pronunciation. We pronounce s but write z. Везти, везти. And возить. Везти we use when we talk about single action or one-way direction movement. And we use it with words сейчас, now, сегодня, today, and завтра, tomorrow. And возить we use when we talk about repeated action or two ways direction. And we use it with words всегда, always, каждый день, every day, часто, often, обычно, usually, редко, seldom, регулярно, regularly, никогда, never, раньше, before, and with verbs любить, to love something, and to hate, ненавидеть. So, how we change these verbs? Везти, везти, to go in a vehicle with a baggage, one-way direction movement or single action. We change it in the present tense like я везу, ты везешь, он, она везет, мы везем, вы везете, и они везут. In the past tense, this verb is irregular, so pay attention on its past forms in the brackets. Он вез, она везла, and они везли. Примеры, examples. Я еду к подруге и везу торт. So I go to my girlfriend and bring cake. So as I told you before, the verb везти corresponds with the verb ехать, and we have these verbs here. So never we don't use the verb везти with the verb идти, which means to go on foot. So only with ехать, to go on a transport. Пример номер 2. Мама везла ребенка в коляске. Mother brought a child in the children's carriage. Коляска is a special carriage for small babies. И мы везем сувениры из Парижа. So we bring souvenirs from Paris. Okay, and the verb возить, возить, which we use when we talk about repeated action or two ways direction, it's absolutely a regular verb. So in the past tense, everything is okay. Will be on возил, она возила, and они возили. In the present tense, we change like я вожу, ты возишь, он, она возит, мы возим, вы возите, и они возят. So only in the first person я we have letter ж. In other cases we use the same letter z that in the infinitive form. So примеры, examples. Я обычно вожу сына в школу на метро. I usually bring my son to school by metro. Я обычно вожу сына в школу на метро. Раньше я возил в машине велосипед. So before I brought my bicycle in the car. Велосипед – это bicycle. And the last example, последний пример. Ты всегда возишь в машине чемодан. Do you always bring a baggage in the car? Ты всегда возишь в машине чемодан. Okay. I hope that everything is clear. If you have any questions, please write me in comments, and please write your own examples of usage of these two verbs. Hope that this lesson was useful for you. Please put a button of like to my video, share it with your friends, and if you want to thank me, you can make a donation by the link given in the description box. Большое вам спасибо. See you next time. До встречи и пока-пока.